welcome to today's supplemental instruction video. I'm Elise, the SI leader for Engineering Fundamentals 152, and today we're going to go over sound intensity. Alright, so wave intensity is the average power of a wave, average power here, transferred across an area here. This area is going to be perpendicular to the energy flow. That's a lot of words, so let's go over what that means. Let's imagine that we're in a two-dimensional world for a moment. And we drop a pebble into water, because that's the closest thing we've got to two dimensions, right? When it drops into water, it's going to push out a wave, remember as ripples, out in the water. So what would be something similar that's going to happen to us in the 3D world? That would be like a set of speakers. Let's have a little speaker here. It's going to broadcast some sound, and it's first, you can think of it acting just like that ripple. It's pushing everything out in two dimensions. But then, you also remember sound goes in all dimensions. So you're going to start seeing it come out this way. You have some arrows that come out this way. You can draw it out as many ways as you want to. But what you're going to start seeing is that you're going to get this rounding. In 2 dimensions, we have a circle. In 3 dimensions, we have a sphere. So, the area that we're going to be using is all the area that the arrows coming away from the speaker touch. The arrows are going to touch the surface area of the sphere. So, in the case of speakers, this is going to be the average power over the area of a sphere. So let's do an example to see how this goes. Before we do the problem, what is the surface area of the sphere? Area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. Remember, r is radius. So if we are given average power of, let's say it's a 50-watt speaker, and let's say that the area, the radius is 5 meters. You're standing 5 meters away from it. What would your intensity be? So, your intensity would be that 50 watts, remember to keep your units, divided by 4 pi 5 squared. So, it's meters squared. 50 watts divided by 4 times 25 meters squared times pi is going to be equal to, 4 times 25 is 100, 50 over 100 is 1 over 2 pi watts per meter squared. So that's an example of, given power, how you would find sound intensity. Thank you.